Hi all, welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and today guys, it's back on the schedule. Today we are going to be doing our Hachette Titanic build, so we are going to be doing issue 137 of Build the Titanic. I have finally received the final four that is going to complete the ship. I'm really chuffed. They were late though, they should have been here well over a week ago, but they didn't turn up, and I don't know what's going on with Hachette at all, but they're here. So we have now got every single issue to finish the Titanic, which is great. And we also have our free copy of issue 141 of the extension, which will be coming to the channel, I can assure you that. So we've got quite a bit to do in these last four issues. This one is more or less the calm before the storm. That's all I'm going to say, because the final three issues, there is tons to do. They've left, like everything, to the last minute, and there is absolutely loads to do. My theory on it is I've recorded all the other part works, so I'm going to bring the ship down and I'm just going to try and work on it all week, and then I can release the videos. I think that's the best way of doing it, because we've got railings, we've got rigging, we've got all kinds of stuff that is actually going on. So for me, I think that is going to be the easiest, to work an entire week on it and then hopefully get it finished. Anyway, I am going to do this a little bit out of sequence from the instructions, and the reason for that is bringing the ship down. And yeah, I'll explain more of that when we get up to the build desk, which we will do now. So, with all that said, let's get modelling. Okay guys, so in this issue 137 we are replacing the Skylights. Now I'm not going to do that first of all, because that's what it's asking us to do, because that means bringing the ship down and everything, and then moving the ship out of the way, which is quite difficult because it's big and heavy now. So I'm going to skip to the step 2 for now, and I'm going to do the compass platform. So we've got this piece here, and we've got our little compass platform, and all we need to do is to put this into the hole just down there. It's asking us to glue it, so that's fine. So I'm just going to dip the end in the glue and place it in. Wow, that definitely needed to be glued in. Okay, now that needs to now be put to one side, because I do need to bring the ship down. So, sorry I'm going to have to do this, but I'm going to have to put a few moments later up while I bring the ship down and get it positioned. So, back in a sec.
A few moments later.
Okay, so here we are back. Now, what's asking us to do is to take these skylights off. Now, we never secured these in anyway, so it told us not to. But they've improved them, so they should fit better. So this is the first replacement, just like so. No need any glue. And then if we move her down, never even put the aft one in, but I do have a dome actually, I think, to fit on there, so let me just grab that. Just got it to one side. Okay, so that's the dome on for the rear staircase. And then that bit over it. That bit fits better than the front, the forward one. Okay, so with that done, all we need to do, and this is why this is the calm before the storm with this build, is we have got the center anchor hoist to put on. So if I try and move her again, but it's not easy to get to the front, course, the like the yeah. Okay, here we go. Right down to the front. So hard to manoeuvre. We've got this to put in, and this is just going to go in to a hole just down there. This is going to be glued in. So I'm just going to put the end, like I did with the other piece, in the glue. And then put that in place. And that, would you believe, is all we have to do. So yeah, I'm just going to move this forward a bit. There we go. Because it moves the cutting mat. That is all we have to do in this stage. We have got a lot coming up in the next lot of stages, trust me. But it will be worth it once it's done. I can guarantee you that. Because what I'm going to do is now I've got it on the desk. I'm going to work on it all week and get this to a place where, you know, more or less finished. I can do the recordings along the way, which is fine. And yeah, just try and enjoy the final bits of this build. So guys, that is issue 137 complete. Well guys, that's it for issue 137 of the Titanic. Thank you for watching. Not a lot to do in that one, but like I said, it is calm before the absolutely massive storm that is to come of the work that we need to do to finally complete her. I am quite looking forward to it, to be perfectly honest with you, because I do love, you know, some of the stuff I do in the background, maybe off camera. We have got a lot of folding of photo etch for the railings, and what I might do with them is, instead of you showing you me folding them and all that, I'd probably fold them and then bring them over to the ship and install them, and just do it that way instead, just showing where these railings going. I haven't fully looked into everything with the Titanic yet for the final 3 issues, but I'm really excited for it. Anyway guys, if you like this video, please could you give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell and you'll be notified of any future videos. But as for always, stay safe and bye for now.